Hey everybody, how are you? Happy Thursday. I hope you're having a great day. Beautiful day here in Chicago. Yes, you found me, Gregor Baird of Gregor Speaks. Nice to have you along. Just dropping in. It's a busy weekend coming up. I got a busy day ahead. I have an event tonight. There's a new building, well, new-ish, at the end of my block, and it's gorgeous. And they're doing a rooftop party for the East Lakeview Chamber of Commerce. So I thought I would go with some friends, check it out, because I want to see what this building is like. There's a pool up there, everything else. It's going to be a hot one, honey. It's going to be a hot day today and humid. So I think there's a little party room and then outside, but I want to check it out. So I don't know if I'm going to do any video or not. I will see, because I want to save the video that I'm going to do, because Market Days is coming up this coming weekend, and I usually go around to the different vendors and acts and music stuff on the street, and then I'll put that on the video for Monday. So that's what I'm looking at doing right now. So if you don't know about Market Days, it's Northalsted Market Days. It actually begins this Friday night, I think right around 5 or 6 p.m. and goes until Sunday. And the last big act, honey, of the weekend is little cute David Archuleta at 9 p.m. on Sunday. And they predict a little bit of rain, so I hope he's going to be okay along with everybody else. So that closes out Market Days on Sunday. But a lot of great DJs, some friends of mine that are DJs, some act and different things, and it's always great checking out the men on the street. Woo! We all do that. And next weekend, I'm back in Saugatuck for the White Party with my bestie and hanging out and enjoying the last big weekend of the summer. And the weekend after that, I'm going to Petoskey, so Michigan, northern Michigan. If you don't know, if you're watching from somewhere, you don't know what any of these places are like, there's your homework. Check it out on the map, but they're all beautiful places, all great and special places to my heart. So that's what's happening, and I'm doing some. Can you tell the sun is coming in and out of my window? You know, it's not my camera. See, look at that. So it's going to be a really hot weekend though here, predicted, you know, with the heat index well over 100, and I know it's very, very hot. So planning stuff for the fall, planning work things, revamping stuff. Everybody's been asking. Yep, we'll see what's going to happen. But looking around, fishing around to enhance my career and do some other things. Might be some changes on the way. We will see. With that said, I'm going to let you go. I hope you have a great Thursday, a great weekend ahead. You know, I'll check in with you on Monday. I'll have some great video, by the way, lots of greats here. Some great video from Market Days. Oh, and by the way, I want to just throw this picture in real quick. I just forgot about this. It's hatched green chili season right now. If you don't know what that is, look that up on the web. But I do this great hatch enchilada sauce, but you can do a lot of different things with it. But I found them yesterday at my local Jewel Osco store, real cheap, like 99 cents a pound. It's a steal. So I bought a bunch and I roasted them right here. You can see I don't have a grill. I wish I did. So I roasted them on my oven. Yeah, it's a mess. I had to vacuum off all of the little shreds of blackness and stuff after the burner's cooled, and then I had to scrub everything down, but it was well worth it. Freeze them for a later date, but it's some delicious stuff, and they're either mild, medium, or hot, and I think I got the mild ones. Let's hope. So that's all. So I'm going to let you go. That's all my news, folks. Thanks for checking in. Be good people. Be good humans. Stay away from the news as much as you can. Be proactive about it, but don't let it involve and get rid of your peace. That's it for today. All right? Enjoy the heat. Enjoy the sun. I'll see you on Monday. Take care of yourself. Subscribe, like, and share. Take care. Bye.